And one very important point comes up, that when the Bhaktilata grows, there is a possibility of weeds also to grow. And the weeds eventually stifle the growth of the main plant, Bhaktilata. May stifle the growth of Bhaktilata. So those weeds are Kutinati, Pratisthasha, Jivahingsha, like frivolous talk, criticizing, fault finding, desire for distinction, adoration, and profit. These are actually the weeds that grows along with Bhaktilata. Now, those who have seen how a paddy field is cultivated, you see the paddy field, the rice field is kept covered with water all the time. The advantage is that with the water, the paddy, the rice plants, it grows. But the weeds cannot grow. Weeds get covered over. So the point here is these detrimental influences of Kutinati, Labh Puja Pratishtha, distinction, adoration, profit, the tendency to criticize others and speak frivolously about mundane topics, etc. So these are the weeds. And these weeds can be covered by watering, by water. And what is the water? The water is hearing and chanting. So always absorb or keep yourself busy just hearing and chanting. Then all these detrimental things will not be able to grow. And worst of all is the offenses, aparad, nam aparad. And of all the nam aparads, as you know, Vaishnava aparad is the worst, which has been considered to be mad elephant offense. So be very careful not to commit that Vaishnava aparad.